To improve your gaming experience in Cyberpunk 2077, you can adjust various graphics settings to enhance visuals and performance. Follow these steps to optimize your graphics settings. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the main menu. Select Options, then choose Graphics to access the Graphics Settings menu. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, find the Resolution option. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution slightly. Step 3. Modify graphics quality. Look for the Graphics Quality preset option. You can choose from low, medium, high, or ultra settings. Start with high for good balance between visuals and performance, and adjust based on your system's capabilities. Step 4. Fine-tune advanced settings. Scroll down to Advanced Graphics Settings. Here, you can adjust individual settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and ray tracing. Experiment with these settings to find the optimal balance for your hardware. Step 5. Enable DLSS if applicable. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, enable DLSS deep learning super sampling in the graphics settings. This feature can significantly improve performance while maintaining visual fidelity, especially at higher resolutions. After completing these steps, you should see an improvement in the graphics quality of Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.